Emma, this is Angela, and Andrea and Lindsay. This is our group for the presentation on our disability, and we're interviewing Patrick. So we have a few questions for you, Patrick.
Okay.
So how would you describe your disability, and what disability do you have? Exactly?
It's cerebral palsy, and it affects things like balance and muscle tone. Basically, it's caused by brain damage during birth due to lack of oxygen. And yeah.
All right. So question number 2, do you have any hobbies?
Yeah.
What do you do for fun?
I like to ATV, snowmobile. I do karate. I've gone skydiving.
Really?
Yeah, that's about it.
Anything else interesting? How is ATVing, like, transferring spine, and karate? How does karate?
Well, I just do whatever I can do, and we're
Yeah.
pretty good about it. So yeah, got my green belt.
Good for you. Good. So what barriers are you challenged with, like, daily?
Well, there's always the odd step or two, as we know from getting in here. But anyhow, yeah, there's that. There is, really in my daily life, there's not that many because I'm used to it and I do my daily thing. But there's always something.
Like brushing your teeth, or
that's
in
not really
and out,
particularly a barrier for me. No,
Yeah.
I'm pretty good that way. I use a electric toothbrush and
Good.
flosser.
Good.
Flosser.
Good.
Nice.
Good.
Okay. Are there any changes you would like to see in the dental care that would resolve some common barriers?
I've hit a few door frames. Some wider doors would be nice. Other than that, I think my dental care experiences is not so bad. But I could see where there would be other people who have different needs, I suppose. I mean, I'm able to transfer from this chair to the dental chair and everything on my own. Makes people a little nervous, but I do okay. And so I could see how that'd be a problem for some people. I don't know how people that can't transfer do things, but other than that, for me, it's not so bad.
Good. Good.
Do you feel that the dental care system and the team are adequately equipped to make any modifications?
Yeah, I do. I've seen renovations done. There's some ramps that I've seen built. There were a few barriers with that too, though. I've been to one that had a parking space in front of the ramp, which was a bit of a problem when you park in the disabled parking and there's a ramp in front of you. But other than that, it's pretty good, and I think there's been some good modifications.
What kind of modifications have been made to your dental office, or are they were there before?
Just a ramp, pretty much, and wheelchair parking.
Okay. What modifications have you made to maybe your house or your car, your truck?
I have hand controls in the truck, and I have a ramp at my house, and things like a huge bathroom and lower sinks and stuff like that.
Yeah. What about your foot pedals for your truck?
Basically, anybody can drive my truck, but there are rods that go to the pedals, and you twist for gas and you push down for brake, and I use a spinner knob, and that's all I need.
And how do you transfer your wheelchair?
The wheelchair gets lifted up into the extended cab of the truck and gets pulled in and dropped down, and I close the doors and go in through the passenger side.
So how long would it take you from, exiting your house to get to work in the morning?
Oh, when I'm late, about 7 minutes or less.
Wow. Good for you. All right. So do you have any other questions or concerns regarding any oral hygiene, like tips or?
No, I think I'm good. I get all my tips from my dentist. Always floss and do behind your back teeth because everyone forgets. And actually floss, they keep telling me that, don't forget.
Actually floss?
Yeah, and I don't know, the mouthwash thing.
Yeah.
All those things you guys know.
Good. So no questions or concerns?
No, I think we're good.
You're good. Well, thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome.
And giving us some detailed information.
Okay.
All right, so we have a little thank you present for you as well.
A present?
It's 4 tickets to a basketball game. It's just the Durham Lords. It's in Whitby.
Cool.
I don't know if you'd be interested.
Sure.
Perfect. They're actually right beside you.
Oh, look at that.
There you are. There's 4 of them.
Thanks. Okay.